Hello everyone, my name is Radifan, but sometimes my friends call me Ivan. I am a student at Naval Architecture of Diponegoro University, Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia. This year, I am the leader of Aterkia Diponegoro team. We are participating in Roboboat 2021 by Robonation with our new ships. This ship has been improved from many aspects, from the material, hull design, hull layer, etc. We named our new ship as Aterkia 06. This Aterkia 06 uses carbon fiber as main material. This Aterkia 06 uses catamaran hull as the model, as the type of the hull. We choose catamaran hull because it has good stability to bring up the heavy components.
Why do we choose this carbon fiber as main material? Previously, we did research as a selection of material that we will use: matte fiber, woven roving fiber, and carbon fiber. And why we choose carbon fiber? Because carbon material is much lighter in weight compared to the other material that we previously used to use. Carbon fiber also has stronger structure than the others. We hope that by using carbon fiber as main material, it will be lighter and stronger than our previous ships. Catamaran hull type is ship with two hulls, which make the stability of this hull good to reduce rolling motion on the ship, because there are some components that are quite heavy for the ship. This hull is designed to be very complex in order to maximize the functionality of the hull. Our hull dimension is also more compact and smaller than before, but it can carry loads up to 8 kilograms. For the hull layer of the ship, we use two layers of 240 GSM of carbon fiber by using epoxy resin mixed with a 1:1 hardener. Then, for the inside of the hull, we use matte fiber with 157 resin as well the hardener as the mixture. Then for the outer layer, we coat it again with 157 resin, and finally we use a waterproof layer to prevent leakage on the hull.
For the software, we use Microsoft Modeler Advanced to design our hull and the superstructure. This is the top view, this is the side view, front view, and this is the 3D model. Like this. After we create the model in Microsoft Modeler, then we move to AutoCAD, and then we create the frames of the hull like this, and then we print it in paper to create the frames just like the model we create.
Here is the process of making hull. First, the manufacturing process is that we use a laser cutting as a cutting tool for the ship's ivory. Then, after being a few new parts, we arrange them according to the design, using glue to form the ship's hull. Secondly, after it is formed, then we skin it using balsa wood on the frame of the ship, which has been completely closed on the part of the ship. Third, after the ship has been covered with all skin, then we grease all parts of the ship using mirror glaze so that the printed ship is not sticky. After that, we coat it with a layer of carbon, which is given a liquid epoxy resin and hardener, and it is averaged for all parts of the ship and wait until it dry. After forming the ship, then remove it from the mold. After separating from the mold, make sure the hull is not defective and smoothen the surface. After that, we do a float and leakage test, also the stability of the hull. If there is a leakage, we use poly to patch it. After it has been tested for float and leakage, It is finished using paint for several layers on the hull of the ship. For the ship that we make, there are several obstacles that we get during the work on the ship. First, when our research failed several times to determine the dosage of the resin, mainly failed the material does not harden as expected. Second, when making the hull itself, after the mold is free and the hull is less hard, in the end, we give the hull fixture to make it louder. Third, the body that we coat on the hull of the ship is not evenly distributed, so we have to repeat it several times. Fourth, leaks in the hull of the ship. When we tested the leak several times, the ship had leaks, so we handled it with poly and also a waterproof paint.
That's all I can say about the hull of Aterkia 06. Sorry if there are some bad words said accidentally. Thank you for your attention. See you later.